Hi guys, welcome back to math class. You guys did such a good job with the 10 little monkeys that today we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it with ducks, okay? And so a lot of you guys have heard the Little Duck song before. Today we're going to try and find the math problems, the subtraction problems that are in that song. And they're really similar to the 10 little monkeys problems that we did yesterday, but we're going to set them up a little differently. There's kind of a different way to solve these story problems. So let's go over to our board. I'm going to set this up. Hopefully you can see it. Perfect. Okay, so today we are continuing to work on subtraction word problems, and we are going to do it with 10 little ducks, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to just try and show how that little song that we listened to has these like word problems within them, okay? So 10 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 9 little ducks came back. All right? So I'm going to say that again. Every time I hear a number, I'm going to stop and I'm going to think, I better write that down, okay? 10 little ducks, well, okay, went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 9 little ducks came back. Okay? So if I were listening to this, I'd be thinking, I can do a subtraction problem from that, right? We started out with 10 little ducklings. They went on a little adventure. Mother duck called them back. Only 9 came back. I want to know how many were left. What I need to do is make a subtraction problem. 10 minus 9 equals however many ducks didn't come back. Okay? 10 minus 9, you could do that in a problem like this. If I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If these dots are the little ducks, I could do this. If I'm going to take away 9, I'm going to go through and just cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ducks didn't come back? Just 1. This one that I didn't cross out, okay? All right, and then when the song keeps going on, it's going to be the same thing. 9 little ducks went out. Only 8 came back. How many ducks stayed out that day? If I did the same thing I did up here, I would take 9 minus 8 and I would get 1, okay? And if you notice, there's a pattern with these problems. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, right? That's because if we took those two problems down here and just as a separate little like aside, we did this. If we take 9 plus 1, we get 10. If we get 1 plus 9, we get 10. That's because subtraction facts are just addition facts backwards, okay? If you can take two numbers and add them to get 10, you can take 10 and minus one of those numbers and get the other number. And this is something we're going to go over a lot. This is just an introduction. Don't feel like you have to totally understand it today, okay, kindergarten? But I just wanted you guys to see this and to practice writing some subtraction problems. Who knows, maybe you will find a way to solve them that isn't exactly like how I solved them. You can use any strategy you want, whether that's using your fingers or counting or just knowing it in your brain. That's totally fine too, okay? All right, good job.